In the current digital era, search engine optimization, SEO, has become a crucial foundation in ensuring the visibility and presence of your website on the internet. However, with so many algorithms and constant changes in the world of SEO, how can you keep up with these changes? The answer: Midjourney AI. This video takes you into the fascinating world of Midjourney AI and how this tool can transform the way you view SEO. Midjourney AI is not just an ordinary tool, it's a new milestone in SEO optimization. Bringing together advanced artificial intelligence and a deep understanding of the latest trends in online searches, Midjourney AI helps you navigate the complex and ever-changing landscape of search engine optimization. In this video, you will get a comprehensive view of how to use Midjourney AI to maximize the SEO potential of your website. We will discuss how to analyze the most relevant and searched keywords by your audience, as well as how to integrate these keywords with strong and valuable content. We will also explain how Midjourney AI can assist you in monitoring your SEO performance over time, providing valuable insights for further improvements and adjustments. Not only that, we will unveil some secret tricks that will allow you to use Midjourney AI flawlessly. With clear step-by-step guidance, you will feel confident in tackling complex and sometimes confusing tasks in SEO optimization. So, if you want to take full control of your website's SEO and ensure that you're not just following trends but also setting them, don't miss this video. Join us to explore the boundless potential of Midjourney AI and the revolution it can bring to your online business. Gain in-depth insights, immediately applicable strategies, and a fresh perspective on the future of SEO with Midjourney AI. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with colleagues who are also interested in the greatness of the SEO world and artificial intelligence.